All right. I hope you've had time to watch all the little videos about these special Australian animals. Now you'll find this paper, Australian Animals Label Me, in your social studies folder. I'd like you to make sure you get that out. What we're going to do to start is, of course, put our name on our paper. We always begin by labeling our paper so we know who it belongs to. Don't forget to capitalize. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to look at the different names of the animals. We have Dingo, Echidna, Kookaburra, duck-billed platypus, kangaroo, sugar glider, emu, koala, wombat. So let's look over here. What creature is this? Do you recognize that animal? That's right, it's a koala. People often call it a koala bear, but is it really a bear? No. It's fluffy like a bear. Now this creature that kind of looks like a flying squirrel. Do you remember what that one is? That's right, it's the sugar glider. Do you remember why they're called sugar gliders? Do they glide through sugar? No, but they do like to eat the sweet nectar of plants. And this bird, this is a very special bird. It's kind of silly because it sounds like a laughing person. It's called a kookaburra. And then this creature you're probably very familiar with. Do you remember what it's called? That's right, a kangaroo. And what is its baby called? That's right, the baby's called a joey. And this animal over here looks a lot like a dog. Some people might even call it a wild dog. But we now know it's part of the wolf family. It's a dingo. Do you remember this tall bird? We call it a flightless bird. That means it doesn't fly, but it can sure run fast. Do you remember what it's called? That's right, it's an emu. Now this creature is a very special mammal. Do you remember we call them monotremes? They're mammals that lay eggs. Very unusual. Do you remember what it's called? That's right, a duck-billed platypus. And then this creature is a very fun one. It's so cute. Do you remember what it's called? That's right, it's a wombat. Do you remember about its poop? Do you remember? The poop comes out what shape? That's right, it comes out like the shape of a cube, like the shape of dice. Can you imagine that? But they sure are cute. And then this creature kind of looks like a hedgehog, doesn't he? It's called an echidna, or it's also known as a spiny anteater. Well, I hope you had a good time learning about all of these unique Australian animals. When you're all done labeling, I'd like you to go back and color your picture like the animals look in real life. Make your illustrations more realistic. Great job today.